for this video, we are comparing ManyChat and Mailchimp. So if you're trying to decide between ManyChat and Mailchimp for your business, we are going to break down the main differences to help you choose the right tool for your marketing strategy. Now, first, let us start with ManyChat. So, this tool is focused on businesses looking to enhance social media messaging, offering chatbots for platforms like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and also SMS. So, for the features, it has a visual chatbot builder, which is very easy to set up without the need of coding. So it also has multi-channel messaging covering social platforms and SMS, and it has an e-commerce integration for automating customer interactions and driving conversations. Now, for the pros of it, this is tailored for real-time social media and SMS engagement, and it also has a strong analytics to help monitor and adjust messaging strategy, which is very excellent for interactive marketing and also customer support. Now, for the cons of it, it has limited if you want, or it has limited capacity if you want email marketing or other types of campaigns, and it also has fewer customization options outside of messaging channels. So if you are focused on social media engagement and real-time messaging, ManyChat fits well. Now for MailChimp, MailChimp is widely used for email marketing and offers a robust toolkit for managing and also automating email campaigns, as well as basic social and tools. So for the features of it, it has comprehensive email marketing capabilities, including list management and also segmentation. So it also has simple automation options for email drip campaigns and also follow-ups, or these are the sample templates that you can use if you are going to use MailChimp. It also has basic customer journey mapping and CRM tools. Now for the pros of this tool, this is excellent again for email focused campaigns and also newsletter. So this has a strong tracking and reporting to measure campaigns success. So this integrates well also with website, e-commerce, and also ad platforms. Now for the cons of this tool, this is not built for real-time and multi-channel messaging like ManyChat. So this lacks the interactivity and chatbot options ManyChat provides for social channels. So MailChimp is a top pick for managing email campaigns and customer data, but it isn't designed for chat automation or real-time engagement. So if email marketing is your main focus, MailChimp will cover your needs well. But if what you need is to boost your engagement, or if you want to boost engagement on your social media with real-time automation, chat or ManyChat is a great fit for you. So start with a free ManyChat account using the link down below. And that is all for this video, and I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.